What's the meaning of artificial life? Artificial life. Artificial life.
Artificial life. Artificial life. Artificial life refers to the creation of synthetic organisms or simulations that behave like natural living systems. It involves designing and constructing artificial systems that exhibit some of the properties of living systems, such as adaptation, self-replication, and evolution. These systems are typically studied using computer simulations or physical robots. The goal of artificial life research is to gain a deeper understanding of the nature of life and to develop practical applications, such as in medicine, engineering, and environmental science. Overall, artificial life offers a unique approach to studying life and its complexities using artificial systems.